Welcome to Kanama Cooks. Today we are making a Kongunadu style Vellai Biryani that's very popular in the region. It's a very subtle biryani with the aroma of ground spices and green chilies. Here is how to do it. Take a small mixie jar and add in the Indian sambar onions, the small shallots. Add in the garlic, ginger, green chilies, fennel seeds, some cinnamon, a small piece of star anise, cloves, cardamom, kalpasi, and a couple of tablespoons of water. Grind everything to a very smooth paste. The paste should be ground really fine. Our ground paste is now ready. Set aside. Take a pressure cooker and add in the oil. Peanut oil is preferred for making this recipe. Add some ghee. Add in the bay leaves, a couple of Marathi moggu, the kapok buds, a small piece of cinnamon, and the sliced onions. Saute for a few minutes till the onions are soft. No need to brown the onions for this recipe. Once the onions are soft, add in the sliced tomatoes and the ground paste that we prepared earlier. Add the salt at this stage. Mix everything well to combine. Cover the cooker with the lid and cook on a low flame for a few minutes so the tomatoes become mushy. The tomatoes should be well cooked and really soft. When the tomatoes are done, add in the chicken meat. Chicken thighs are preferred for this recipe. Along with the chicken, add about half a cup of water. After adding the water, mix everything well to combine. Cover the cooker with its lid and cook for about 2 whistles. It should take about 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. After the said 2 whistles, remove the cooker from heat and wait for the pressure to completely settle on its own. While the chicken is cooking, let's soak the rice. We will be using Siraga Samba rice for making this recipe today. This short-grained rice adds a nice aroma to the biryani. If you cannot source Siraga Samba rice, basmati rice can also be used. But Siraga Samba rice adds that unique taste that you will not get in a basmati rice biryani. Wash and soak the rice for about 20 minutes. Be gentle while washing the rice so the rice does not break. Once the pressure in the cooker settles, open the cooker and keep the cooker back on the stove. Let it start to boil. At this stage, add in some thick coconut milk. Canned coconut milk just works fine. Add a cup of water. The rice to liquid ratio is 1 cup rice to 1.5 cups liquid. So the gravy left in the cooker, the coconut milk and the water, everything put together should be 3 cups for this recipe as we are using 2 cups of rice. If you are in doubt, measure the gravy in the cooker after cooking the chicken and then add the water accordingly. Add the whole green chilies, coriander leaves and the mint leaves. The whole green chilies are only for flavor and not for the heat, so keep the green chilies whole. Bring everything to a boil. At this stage, add the soaked and drained rice to the pressure cooker. Also, add the juice of 1 small lime. After adding the juice, mix everything well to combine. Now, place a cut banana leaf on top of the rice mixture. This banana leaf is optional, but it gives a fantastic aroma to the biryani. Cover the cooker with its lid and cook for about 2 whistles. It should take anywhere between 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. After about 2 whistles, remove from heat and wait for the pressure to settle. Open the cooker. Remove the banana leaf and gently mix to fluff up the rice. Our Kongunadu Vellai Biryani is now ready. Hope you will try this recipe at home. If you do, please don't forget to leave a comment below. Until next time, it's me Suguna signing off and happy cooking. Bye bye.